Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be unboxing my new Sceptre 24-inch Edgeless Business Pro 75Hz refresh rate monitor. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this or show you guys what it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm excited. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, drop a like, show some love. Thank you guys so much for tuning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. So I don't really have like a proper table to open this thing up, so I have this chair right here to open this thing up. So let's get to it. Here, sorry, I had to like come close to the mic because it can't hear me from far, but here's the stand for it. You have an 8.2 HDMI input. You have a VGA cable input. Sorry, VGA input. You have an audio in, an audio out, and the power, the plug. Get it powered on. Power it on. There you go. Alright, so I finally set it up on my desktop mount, on my monitor mount, right? So right now it looks nice. I'm actually gonna show you guys. There it is. Yeah, so that's my main gaming PC, and then my streaming PC, the first monitor, and then second monitor. Guys, that's pretty much it. I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in for on this video. If you guys liked or enjoyed this video, drop a like, drop a subscription. Subscribe to the channel, and I also live stream on Facebook, App Dev Gaming. I'm gonna post that link on the description below, so if you want to drop by and say hi, you're more than welcome. I think that's it. That's it for this video. More tech videos coming soon. I'm gonna try to be more active on this YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel, on this channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, afternoon, wherever you guys are. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.